Hi everyone. Uh, we already had a class, but I know some of the things we have discussed you forgot. So this is a session I want to talk about and remind you actually some of the things we have discussed before. And the topic is preposition. Okay. Uh, we are going to talk about three preposition actually here, and these are the one that actually sometimes confuse us a lot. These are at, on, in, and by. The way they're used, some of them are used for transportation, location, and time. So we can call them preposition of time and place. Okay. For example, for transport, we don't use at preposition. Usually, we don't say we are at a bus, right? So that means at cannot be used for transportation, but we can use this for location and time. When we say we are at bus stop, that means it's a specific place, right? And also we use at before a specific time. For example, meet me at 9:15 a.m. or say at afternoon. So this is a specific time when we mention hour and minute. So in that case we can use at, and I believe this will help us. Okay, now second one, on. Now on, when we talk about transportation, there are what things comes to our mind: train, bus, plane, boat, bicycle, right? Now the interesting thing is, if something that is large, it means uh, you are staying in one of the place of this whole thing. So in that cases we will use on. uh, Same thing is also about the boat. Now the thing is, a boat is exceptional. The reason is boat sometimes can be a large one as well, like people go for cruising, so those are very huge boats. So over that you can also say uh, you are on the boat. Okay, but if, okay, I'll come to that later. And also, when you are on a surface or something, for example on the floor, on the roof, or flat surface, or in a big place, you are in one position, you can say on, like I am on the bus, I am on the rooftop, I am on the floor. Okay. And also when we talk about time, in that case, especially if there is mention about any specific day, for example Christmas day, holiday, Monday, Sunday, in that case we will use on before them. Okay. Now the third one is in. Now in is used something that, when we talk about the transportation, if it belongs to you. For example, if the boat, you remember I said boat is an exceptional one. If the boat is small, and you might have a boat, a kayak, a canoe, dinghy, small boat, raft, this kind of cases, you can say I am in the boat. Okay. And also the taxi, car, there also you can use in.